Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look yummy? Yogurt chicken. You'll love it. Wow, it's just delicious. Hello, friends. Hi, I'm Naveen. Welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you yogurt chicken. It's going to be yummy and you're going to love it. So let's get cooking. Let's get the veggies ready. The peppers, onions and the tomatoes. First things first, here I've added 4 tablespoons of oil. The pan is nice and hot. Bay leaves, green cardomoms and cloves. This is basically meant to flavor the oil. Let the onions and peppers cook till they turn slightly brown. If you want your onions to get brown a little faster, you could add a little bit of salt. Wow, this is beginning to look really yummy. I just can't wait to enjoy yogurt chicken. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look yummy? I just can't wait to enjoy yogurt chicken. Garnish it with some cilantro, stir it up well and enjoy. It's time to check it out. Wow, it's just delicious. Look at it. If you love the video, please leave a comment, that would be appreciated. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.